Hello, my friends from YouTube. This is Jerry with another video on how to do it yourself. Today's video I will be collaborating also with Janet in this video. And the reason for this video is because it's a special request for a co-worker who asked me in the office if I can recommend her a good detox for her diet. And with that said, I told her that I was going to post this video to help her with the detox juice that we basically do at home. Is very nutritional. But before I start, I want to just give a disclaimer that I'm not a nutritionist. I am not a doctor. But basically, when I do this juice at home, Janet and we basically research before we post this video, and we recommend that if you want to basically be safe about the juices, you can also get in contact with your physician and ask your physician if it's healthy or good for your health to drink this type of juice. In my case, and in the case of Janet, when we prepare this juice, basically we use organic products. But of course, if you don't want to use organic because the organic products are more expensive, then you have the option to get your products for any product store. But to start with, the good thing about this particular juice is it's not only going to help you to detox if you want to lose those pounds that you want to get out, or if you have any intestinal problems. It's the good thing about it is all the nutrients that you're gonna get through this particular juice with no artificial flavors, and that's what I like. What I like about this type of nutritional system that I started with Janet. The fact that we're eating more healthy, we're drinking more healthy, especially within this COVID-19 epidemic that is affecting so many people. Now, with that said, what I'm going to tell you and show you exactly what is going to be used within this particular recipe. I hope that you enjoy these. We love it. That's what we consume at home. We don't consume any type of artificial juice. We stop that, and what we're doing now is basically making our own juice at home with organic. And remember that this particular video is a special request that was asked to me to post this particular juice for detox. And I hope that all of you enjoy it. We love it. We do this juice at least once a week. And when we do this particular juice, of course, because it's a detox and it's going to be a cleanse, you will basically clean yourself from the inside out. So basically, I recommend that if you do this, you make sure that you don't have to go to work, or that you're going to do it in your time off, because you're going to be using your restroom. So with that said, what I'm going to do now, please stay tuned. So I'm going to share with you the different ingredients that I have here for you guys. And after that, I will be basically using our juicer to process all the fruits and vegetables that we have here. Stay tuned, please. All right, so let's go. Let's go ahead and start with the ingredients that I will be using for the detox juice that we're gonna make today for that special request. And what I'm gonna do is start first with the citrus that I'm using. I'm using a grapefruit, 2 lemons, 2 orange, 1 apple, cucumber, organic carrots. These carrots are so beautiful. Celery. We're gonna be using organic chia seed. And also we are going to be using organic coconut water. And basically this is what we use for this particular recipe. And as you can see, remember in previous videos, something that we always do is wash our fruit and vegetable. We do not start processing this type of fruit or any vegetable without making sure that we basically wash and remove as many bacteria as we can from the skin, because when you use your juicer, basically what you do is basically you will process the entire fruit or vegetable, because you want to get that chlorophyll out of those vegetables and fruit. Now, today's video, something that we're gonna do, of course, we're gonna remove the skin from the citrus. We are not leaving any skin from the citrus, because if we leave the skin, what is going to happen is it's going to have like a sour taste or a bitter flavor, and we don't want to save that today for any veggie burgers, because we are not going to do that. I did that in a previous video. So I'm removing the skin from the orange, I'm removing the skin from this limes, I'm removing the skin from the grapefruit, and leaving the skin from the cucumber, and leaving the skin from the carrot, and the celery goat as it is. And of course the organic chia seed will go at the end. These seeds are incredible for digestion. I recommend this. It's very nutritional, and I got these from a Whole Food store, and I love it. And of course my organic coconut water, King Clan brand, I got this from Costco. The rest of my fruit and vegetable, they were I went to an organic Whole Food store to get me organic fruit and vegetable. So please stay tuned. I'm gonna start just basically watching, and I'm gonna clean all this before I start processing the juice. So stay tuned so you can see the recipe. Alright, so in this part right here, what we're gonna do is start cleaning our fruit and vegetable. Johnny's doing that process.
Yeah, I'm just adding apple cider vinegar in the water so it can kind of like kill the germs and in a more natural way. And it's actually, you know, just kind of detoxifying the fruit. Even though it's like organic, anyway, organic fruit, but you still want to like clean it the best you can.
All right, stay tuned, because soon we're gonna start basically processing the fruit and vegetables. Right, so in this part right here is the part that we're gonna start basically processing the fruit and vegetable for this detox juice. And as you can see, we remove all the skin from the fruit and from the citrus. And also now with the cucumber and with the celery, of course, we're gonna leave the skin, but that is not something that we're gonna save this time. Basically, once all the processed skin is go into this bag, we're gonna basically dispose of that. So with that said, let's go ahead and start processing this juice. The first thing that we're gonna do, of course, is to turn on the machine. And Janet will be basically processing all the fruits.
What's coming to be?
Okay, friends, in this part of the video, what we're gonna do is add the organic coconut water. And basically what we did was we already put the coconut water here, and it's 12 ounces. So what we're gonna do is add 6 ounces to this recipient and 6 ounces. And something that I want to show you about this particular container is the fact that it's, or jar, is the fact that they are sealed to avoid your juicer to get spoiled. So basically I'm gonna let Janet add 6 ounces to each of coconut water to each jar, and she's gonna be adding that water now. And the other 6 ounces to the other jar. All right. And after adding the 6 ounces of coconut water to each jar, what John is going to add now is a tablespoon of chia seed. All right. The good thing about the chia seed, and something that we researched, is that it helps you with the digestive system. Basically it's a dietary fiber, and it's high in calcium and iron, which is good for your digestive system. So basically this is what we use to detox ourselves. And again, this is something easier to do, that you can do it at home, and you will enjoy the benefits of this particular juice. And again, this is Jerry and Janet with another video of on how to do it yourself, how to prepare a detox juice out of organic fruits and vegetables. Something that I want to add at the end of this video is the fact that if you want to, in this detox, you can also add spinach if you want to. In our case, we do it this way, and it worked for us perfectly without any problem. And if you have any comments, please just hit me up on YouTube at comments. I always answer to those comments, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. And again, this is Jerry and Janet with another video on how to do it yourself. Have a blessed day.